There are so many things around us, and if we look around, the the smallest thing that is also around us in nature, we will be mesmerized by the beauty. The crane wakes up early in the morning, twists and turns its neck, adjusting for the prey, its worm and the insect, and get it. If you ever have seen a crane early in the morning, you will know that early bird catches the worm. It walks around the grass, it walks around in the field and catches its worm beautifully. And they're the friend of all the animals, domestic animals like cow, even elephant, like wild animals. They be they go along with them so that when the cow walks on the grass to graze, the crane feed on the insect, sometimes even on the skin of the cow or where all the flies sit. If you ever have seen a crane and a cow, you have seen the perfect harmony of nature. I sometimes sit in my backyard and just stare at the nature. There's a hawk that comes in my backyard. There's a pond near the backyard. The hawks come and sit there for hours and hours, wait for the perfect moment, perfect time, and whenever it lands on the prey, I have never seen the hawk miss its prey. Sometimes a small bird becomes its prey, sometimes a small snake. Other time, it is just there, waiting, waiting for a perfect spot. Nature is so beautiful around us. Sometimes I see the bird. They're funny. They land on they land on those ants, and the ants get all around their body. They they flap around their wings, twist and turn around their body to get rid of those ants, weaver ant. But it's quite funny, how they also get their food from them. I sit in a deep meditation with nature, and I feel like I have lost myself in it. Somebody said, in nature, everything is wild and free. I do believe that, and I do accept that. Nature is the heart, nature is the creation and the art of God. Also, someone said, I believe in God, but I only pronounce it as nature. I do that too. Sometimes the parrot come, the parrot sits on my starfruit tree and have their perfect lunch on the starfruit. Things are camouflage in nature because with camouflage we get our we equalize with our environment. Yes, of course, there are some yellow birds that come and bring the light man in my amla tree, but the beauty of nature is always in harmony and perfect. I love my cow, I love nature, I love people who are camouflaged with nature.